Hi guys, welcome to Candy's Hair Diary. It's your girl Candace. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit also that like, comment, and share the video, and hit that bell notification so that you will know when I am uploading my newest videos. And all my returning subs, what's up y'all? We are back with a different style today. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same hair that I've used. I think I used this hair, it was either last summer or the summer before, but it is a kind of like a Yankee twist dupe. And I've had the hair for a while, and if you've been watching my recent videos, you will know that I'm just trying to use up the crochet hair that I have that's been already in my arsenal. So I'm going to be kind of changing out my styles quite a bit, just to kind of use up the hair pretty quick. So I will be actually doing a soak on that hair, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just going to be using a different color this time. Last time I did this style, it was just in like a 1B, so off black color. But this time I'm going to be using the color of a ombre, so it's going to be 1B with 350. I'll show it to you in a minute. Right now it's just soaking. So once we get all that in, the style, I was going back and forth on what was I going to do, if I want to do a whole head, because the color is so bright and I like the color, but I'm just like, is it going to be like clown? Am I going to look like Ronald McDonald? Because it's like a ginger color. You'll see, like I said, in a few minutes. But I just was on Pinterest and I was on Instagram, and I was like, maybe I could try like the whole braid in the front, a braided style in the front, cornrows in the front, maybe like 2 little pieces coming. I'll crochet 2 little pieces right here, and probably leave out my own little curly cues on the side, and then do mainly all the crochet in the back. And because the hair is not like long, I think it'll look super cute. So that's what we are going to do. So I just took out my other style, so I got a dirty head, so I gotta detangle, wash and condition, blow this out, and go ahead and get started. So probably when I come back on camera, guys, I will have my braid down already done, because it's just too much to do on camera. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah.
Check, please. Should I please pipe down? Getting too turned up, too much too loud. Please. You liked me better when I was on shush, better when I was on hush. Switched up on you quite fast. You didn't like that. Now I'm catching up. You can look running up. Thought I'd leave, come right back. Wanting feedback. Don't work like that. A pretty penny for me to see. What if I turned out better than you thought I would be? Wanna know when made me 360 degrees? I say I did it cause I wanted to. Yeah, I did it cause I wanted to. Give it a rest. I asked you out. Now I'm proud, I know you know it ain't nothing better. Talk to me nicely on my